Okay, let us try to solve this using the Pemdas rule, no? So recall lang natin when we talk about Pemdas, so mauna muna yung parentheses, followed by yung exponent, then multiplication, division, depende kung alin ang mauna from left to right, and then afterwards addition or subtraction kung alin ang mauna from left to right. So here, so parentheses muna mauna, no? So we still have to write this. So this is then 3 squared minus 5 minus 6. So sa loob muna ng parentheses, this is equal to negative 1, quantity squared, 8 plus 6 divided by, write muna natin, 4 minus 7, so that is equal to negative 3. And then you will have here negative 1 raised to 3. Okay, next naman, exponent. So exponent, so this is 3 squared, so that's 9, minus negative 1 squared, so that is then 1, plus 6 divided by negative 3, write muna natin, then negative 1 cubed, that is equal to negative 1. Okay, next naman, sabi dito nga, multiplication, division, depende kung alin ang mauna from left to right. So here, itong 6 divided by negative 3, muna ang mauna before natin siya multiply sa negative 1. So 6 divided by negative 3, this is equal to negative 2. Kaya write natin, you will have your 9 minus 1. Okay, so ito ngayon magiging minus 2 times negative 1. And again, mauna muna yung multiplication before yung addition and subtraction. So you will have here 9 minus 1. You have here negative 2, or you have here 2 times negative 1, you'll have your negative of negative 2. Next will be addition and subtraction. So ayusin lang natin ito. You will have here 9 minus 1 minus negative 2 is the same as plus 2. So finally, 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 2. Therefore, the answer is equal to 10. Okay, so yun po yung paggamit natin ng Pemdas.